How to fix Chatgpt access denied, easy and quick. Look guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Chatgpt access denied. First open your browser. Now once you're here, click these 3 points and now click history and now click clear browsing data, and once you're here select all of those, then select 1 day and clear data. And if that doesn't fix it, come back here. If that doesn't fix it, just turn off your browser and turn it on again, and then click history again, clear it, and now select 7 days and clear it. That's it. Now just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if you are using an internet cable, just remove it and connect it again. That's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.